Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you are a baker of any kind, then you absolutely need this set of 3 stacking baking shelves from Wilton. I do a lot of baking, from bread to muffins to pies to cookies to cakes. But even if you are not someone who bakes all the time, just a little bit, these are very useful in letting the air circulate around your baked goods so that they cool evenly. I love the fact that you can use them on their own, up on the legs, or stacked. So if you have a small space and you're really trying to make the most of your space, then these little racks are exactly what you need. So again, if you are a baker and you would like to get some cooling racks to add to your baking ensemble, I highly recommend these. They fold down really flat for storage. They're very adaptable. You can put them together, stack them on top of each other, use them alone. They're just a really indispensable tool in my kitchen. And that is my point of view.